Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install your home audio cable into a receiver. I have the Yamaha RS202 receiver. Obviously, before hooking anything into your receiver, make sure to read your manual, have a good understanding before you plug anything in and power it up. In my case, today we have these thick wires. They all come from the living room, kitchen, and outdoor patio. Luckily they're all labeled: upper deck, main deck, master bed, and ensuite. So it's good to know which cables are which. So first step is expose your cable using a stripping tool, and we'll go from there.
Okay, to strip the wires, I originally grabbed a wire stripping tool. It's just a clamp with different grooves in it to strip different size gauge wire. I originally tried to use it on the 14 gauge white coating that you see in my hand. Unfortunately, it didn't have a groove large enough to strip that wire, so I had to revert to my Opal blade, just keeping the blade out and going around in a circle to strip that white coating out. And this would expose the 4 wires inside: a red, a white, a green, and a black. And then simply using the wire strippers, place each wire individually into the right size groove and strip them. Okay, so here's just a close-up view. I had already stripped the 14 gauge giant white wire with the Opal blade, and now I'm just using my wire snippers to clean up the rest of the wiring inside. So once you have all the wires stripped to your designated lengths, in my situation I only have 2 speaker options. I have a speaker A and a speaker B outlet. So because I'm very limited to my speaker sources, I am going to splice both my living room and kitchen wires together, color coordinated of course, red to red, white to white, green to green, black to black, and then plug them in to their positive and negative terminals, red and white being your positives and green and black being your negatives. Be sure that your receiver is not plugged in while installing your wires. Be sure all your speaker wire is connected and secure. It doesn't hurt to give it a little tug. Just make sure they're not going to fall out. And once you confirm that they're all snug in place, I can go ahead now, plug in my receiver, turn it on, hook it up to the radio or aux cord or CD input to your choosing, and you got yourself some music. Hopefully this video helped, and we'll see you next time.